All right, so as I'm looking at this, I'm thinking to myself that maybe I want to break these rectangles up into smaller sections. Well, there's different ways to go about that, but um, one thing that you can do is if you're looking to quickly and selectively grab things, you can move up here and you can toggle into X-ray mode. And in this case, I'm going to push one on my keyboard to get a front view. And I can, while holding down the Shift key, use the box select tool to just kind of go through and click and select some of these different edges like this. I'll do a couple more. I'm not going to necessarily do the entire thing at the moment, but just to get the gist of it. So yeah, I mean, having moved halfway down, but because I was in X-ray mode, it's grabbed all the way through. And now if I go ahead and right click and do a subdivide, let's move out of X-ray mode so we get a better view of that. We can see that I've got a lot geometry that's a lot tighter.